Hi, I'm Lana Tolbert from Lianro Metal Roofs, also known as Roof Lady. And we're in Colorado, and this last couple of weeks we've had unprecedented rainfall and have had some calls about people worrying that their roof is leaking. And so often when we get a call back, we'll come to a place and there'll be a chimney and they'll be getting water in the chimney. And so on this particular roof, they're getting some water in the chimney and in the kitchen. And when we got up here, you can see that there's deteriorated bricks, there's deteriorated grout. There's so much moisture being held into this chimney that moss is actually growing on it. And then there's actual holes in the grout itself. And so a recommendation to fix a chimney like this is, you could do a whole metal cap to fix it and have the cap come down around. You could get the brick repointed. There's also some waterproofing materials that you could put on to make the brick itself more waterproof. There may also be some incidences here with her flashing. This roof has been hailed on as well, and you can see how the hail's taken off some of the coating of the flashing. But it's got the counter flash underneath, or the step flashing underneath, and this counter flashing on top, and that all appears to be well. The more suspect would be the grout. So before you get all worried about you might need a whole new roof, maybe have somebody come and inspect your chimney. I hope this helps, and our whole point is to make beneficial videos and to make homeowners be more aware of what to do and not do with their roofing. So thanks for joining us for this episode of Roof Lady. Metal up with a Lianro roof.
Thanks for watching our channel. We hope you learned something that will help you save time and money when buying a metal roof. For a free roof buyer's protection kit valued at $347, please visit lianro.com for the instant download. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.